While doing research about our upcoming documentary, Pirates of the Gulf Coast, the third-rate production research team stumbled upon a little-known and most unusual skirmish, known as the Grass Fight. The Grass Fight took place on November 26, 1835, outside of what we know as modern-day San Antonio. This all took place shortly before the more famous Battle of San Jacinto during the Texas War for Independence. The Texan regime received intelligence that a Mexican pack train was going to be traveling through Bejar with silver to pay its garrison. Erastus Deafsmith, a Texas scout, sighted the approaching caravan and alerted Colonels James Bowie and Edward Burleson. About 100 followers followed Bowie, and the others followed Burleson. The Texan soldiers were able to overtake the pack train, but the nearby garrison in Bejar came to the Mexicans' aid. The Texans were able to force them to retreat, capturing their pack animals in the process. In the end, about 50 Mexicans were killed and 2 Texans were wounded. And this is where the skirmish gets its name. Instead of silver, the Texans found hay and feed in the pack animals' satchels, giving the moniker the Grass Fight to the unusual battle. You may be asking yourself, what does this have to do with pirates, privateers, and buccaneers? Well, you'll have to stay tuned to find out, matey.